Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Well, I got this stuff that Jack sent me. I think it's going to be pretty fun. Pretty fun stuff. Piece of wood. He sent me pin material. And this is the interesting piece. I believe this to be sparrows blanks. Correct me if I'm wrong, Jack, but it looks like a sparrow's blank to me. And we don't have a magnet. Do we have a magnet? I would love to test this thing to see how much steel is here. Let's see for a minute here now. We have the huge giant magnet. Isn't that weird? It's pretty weird. I mean, it's pretty magnetized, but I wouldn't say this is 100% steel. I would say it's got some pretty good elements in there. But yeah, we're gonna try to. Let me see if this thing will focus. We're gonna try to make Jack a hook. Can you see the difference already? Let me put my glasses back on so I can see the difference. Let me see here. Can you see the difference in the steel already? You see how one is lower and one on top of the shank is lower and the bottom part is higher? This is the way it's supposed to face right here. The lower part, the shorter part is the top, and the longer part is the bottom. Anyway, Jack wants this thing in between a short hook and a medium hook, and that measures to be 117 thousandths deep of a hook. You know what I mean? 117 thousandths. So we're going to try to do it for him, and we're going to try to get it done here maybe Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, you know. So yeah, you guys have a good weekend and stay safe, man. Talk to y'all later.